Let's do another long division. Let's use my favorite divisor, 3. I don't know why. And let's write a big dividend. Let's just be funny about this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a very big number. It's 54,000. So you're dividing a very big number into 3, so you're going to have, a large quotient. So let's label what we have here. First of all, this is the divisor. This is our dividend, the thing that we're trying to divide into 3 equal parts. So this is our dividend. And the answer is going to be our quotient, which we're going to write as a whole number and maybe a remainder. I don't know yet what we're going to have. All right, so let's get started with this. So the first thing we do is we look at the first digit of the dividend and say, can it be divided by 3? And the answer is yes, because it is larger than 3, so it can be divided by 3. And so the number, the factor, we're going to multiply 3 times to get close to that first digit, the 5. That's our 1. Okay, that's the first factor in the quotient. Okay, so 1 times 3 is 3. That's the first operation. Second operation is we subtract 3 from 5, and that gives us a remainder of 2. And then lastly, we bring down the next number in the dividend, the next digit in the dividend. Okay. All right. So that's our new number is 24. It's not the remainder; it's the new number that we're going to find a factor for. So that would be 8. 8 times 3 is exactly 24. We write that here. We perform the subtraction, 0, and we bring down the next number of the dividend. Okay, that's 3. Oh, perfect. 3 is divided by 3 easily. That's 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Remainder is 0. We bring down the next number from the dividend. That's 2. 2 cannot be divided by 3, right? So 1 times 3 is larger than 2. So here's where we use our 0 as a special case. 0 times 3 is 0. So then I'm going to have to move this over here. New remainder is 2. We're going to bring down the next number from our dividend. That's 1. And oh, look at that. 7 times 3 is 21. That's our last number from the dividend, and there's no remainder. The remainder is 0. Okay, so that's our remainder. That's our actual remainder. Okay, and we can double check. Let's double check to see that we have the correct quotient, the correct answer. And the way we do it is by multiplying the quotient, 18,107 times our divisor, and that should give us back our dividend. Okay, so let's do 3 times 7 is 21. So we bring it to here. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 5. Oh, 0. But 0 plus 2 is 2. That's 5. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Now here we go. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So there it is. That is our answer. That is, in fact, our dividend. All right, so we've confirmed this. Take a look, slow it down, rewind it, play it again, pause it each time so that you can guess what the next step will be. All right, look at this carefully many times.